Ready?
No, just do it.
What's up, guys? Today
What's up?
we are doing something
Guys.
a little different. It's a DIY. We're going to teach you how to make a huge explosion that will make your neighbors absolutely hate your guts. Okay, but these clothes are not the DIY clothes, so why don't we...
Whoa!
Where'd you get the U? Put it away. That's not what we need.
This is more of an outside job.
Whoa! Outside. Okay, so here's what you're gonna need for today's experiment. A bottle, any size will work.
Next, some vinegar
Some baking soda,
and a little bit of newspaper.
and that's all you need. And if you want to add some food coloring, you can if you want, but that is up to you. So let's get started. Okay, so step one, you're gonna take your smaller bottle first and fill it about halfway with vinegar. So about to there is about right. And what Bailey's doing is he's laid out a thin layer of baking soda in one of these newspapers, and he's going to roll it really tight so he can just slip it in there and shake it up. So when you roll it, make sure you cover up the ends and you make sure it's thin so it can fit inside the bottle. Okay, so right now Bailey is inserting it into the bottle. Once it's inserted, make sure you shake it up to dissolve all the baking soda.
Oh shit!
That's it.
Oh! Okay guys, so we're sitting here and we've been doing like 4 of these experiments where we like blow up the bottle, and we think the neighbors might have called the cops because we heard something along the lines of these 2 idiots messing around. Yeah. So we're just gonna set off another one like right now.
Set it off.
No, just yell it, dude.
Alright guys, we're here filming our science experiment. This is our last take.
Okay, good. Oh, fuck.
Okay, are you gonna throw it? Are you gonna throw it at the wall? Yeah, just leave it.
Science experiment. It's gonna be loud.
Last take!
It might be loud. Close your ears.
Okay, you're throwing that bitch, motherfucker.
Oh my gosh, dude. Ready?
No, just do it. Shit.
Last one. Last. Science experiment.
Shit. Oh shit.
That was so loud.
Shit.
That was
Oh
so
my god.
That was so fucking loud.
Oh my god. Oh my fucking god.
Science experiment.
So that is all for today. The bigger bottle actually did not have as good a result as the smaller one, so we didn't actually put it in the video, but you can try it if you want at home. I encourage you to attempt this at home. And if you want us to see us do more DIYs like this one, let's try to hit 20 likes. As always, hit that subscribe button, and DonkehBros out.